Now, what is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab between the two plates? We have already learned in the previous lectures, for a parallel plate capacitor, this was positively charged and this was negatively charged, and the distance was d, and there was an electric field to this side, and the electric field was E naught was equal to sigma by epsilon naught, and your sigma was equal to charge by area, charge on this plate divided by its area A. And we have also learned in the previous lecture, between these two plates the electric field which was E naught was existing in this region from here to here, distance t, and the electric field was E naught. And when a dielectric was placed, due to polarization, this side was negative, this side was negative, and this side was positive, means there was another electric field within the dielectric to this side due to polarization, that was written as EP. So the net field, so E naught is existing in this region and this region, that is outside the dielectric, and within the dielectric EP is existing. Now look at the figure. Let M and N, the two plates of a capacitor, D is the distance between these two plates, A, area of each plate, this plate as well as this plate. On this plate we have charge plus Q, on this plate we have charge minus Q. So now the electric field between these two plates M and N is sigma by epsilon naught. We have not introduced the dielectric yet. So Q is sigma is equal to Q by A divided by epsilon naught. So the slab A, B, C, D is not introduced now. So the capacitance C1 is equal to epsilon naught A by D, which we studied in the previous lectures. Now the dielectric is introduced. Now the dielectric slab A, B, C, D is introduced. Let T is equal to thickness of the dielectric, that is from here to here, that is same thing as from here to here. From here to here the distance was T. Due to polarization EP, the electric field opposite to E naught is developed, EP to this side, from positive to negative, from positive to negative, from positive to negative. So E naught is existing in the region this and this, that is D minus T, and E, which is the difference of these two, is existing in the region from here to here, that is same thing as from here to here, that is T. So the potential difference between M and N is V is equal to E naught into D minus T plus E into T, because we know in the previous chapters your potential divided by distance was equal to electric field. So your potential is equal to E into D. So E naught is existing in this region, this and this. This and this is same thing as equal to D minus T. So E naught into D minus T, the region, is the potential, and your E is existing in this region T. So E into T is again potential. Potential plus potential is the potential. And this is same thing as this is same thing as this. In the previous lecture we have seen your E was equal to the field outside by the dielectric constant. So I replace E with E naught by K, E naught T. I take E naught common, so I am left with D minus T plus T by K. Now so I am left with V is equal to E naught into D minus T plus T by K. So your V is equal to E naught, we know is equal to charge by area whole divided by epsilon naught. I substitute, this is same thing as this. We know capacitance is equal to Q by V. V we have calculated. So the new capacitance, let it be C naught, sorry, C2. So it will be Q by V. So for this V I substitute this. So Q cancels. So epsilon naught A is taken in the numerator. So and I take common from here, I take common D. So I am left with this. D into 1 is D, D into this is T, D into this is equal to T by K. Now I take this D to the numerator. So to give it a shape, because this will be equal to the previous capacitance C1. So it is 1 minus T by D plus T by KD. So is the previous capacitance. Now if T is equal to D, if T is equal to D means if this whole space between the two plates M and N, this dielectric fills the whole space between the two plates. If T is equal to D, the whole space is filled, then what will be the capacitance? If T is equal to D, then your C2 will become C1 divided by 1 minus, since T is equal to D, I put D here, D by D is equal to 1 plus, I put D here, D cancels, I have 1 by K, so this cancels, K comes to the numerator, so C times K. Means if the whole space is filled with the dielectric, the new capacitance C2 becomes K times the previous capacitance, that is, it increases.